In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the GitHub extension in VS Code. This is a crucial step if you're looking to make your development process smoother and more efficient by integrating GitHub's robust capabilities directly into your Visual Studio Code environment. Now let's get started. First things first, you'll want to launch Visual Studio Code. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download the latest version from the official website. Once it's up and running, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now let's open the Extensions pane. This is where you'll find all the additional tools that can be integrated into your VS Code to enhance its functionality. You can do this easily by pressing the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+X. If you prefer using the mouse, you can click the Extensions icon located on the left sidebar. This icon looks like 4 small squares forming a larger square. By doing this, the Extensions view will open, allowing you to search and browse various extensions. Next, we need to install the GitHub Pull Requests and Issues extension. To do this, navigate to the search bar within the Extensions pane and type in GitHub Pull Requests and Issues. This extension is specifically designed to make it easier to manage pull requests and issues directly from your VS Code interface, which is particularly handy for collaborative projects and code reviews. Once you find it in the list, click on the Install button. This will add the extension to your VS Code setup, making it ready to use. While this step is optional, you might want to consider installing the GitHub Copilot extension as well. GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered code completion tool that provides intelligent suggestions and faster coding solutions tailored to your habits and needs. Simply search for GitHub Copilot in the Extensions pane and click Install if you'd like to give it a try. Now, it's time to sign into your GitHub account. This is an important step as it allows VS Code to access your repositories and pull requests. Look for the Accounts icon in the top right corner of the VS Code window. It resembles a small silhouette or an avatar icon. Click on it and select Sign In with GitHub. Once clicked, your default web browser will automatically open, taking you to the GitHub login page. Enter your credentials to sign in. Upon successful login, you'll be prompted to authorize Visual Studio Code to access your GitHub account. Click on Authorize Visual Studio Code to complete the integration process. After that, return to VS Code where everything should now be set up and ready for you to start coding seamlessly with GitHub. And there you have it. Your GitHub extension is all set up in Visual Studio Code. With this integration, managing and collaborating on code repositories is now more efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding!